What up, what up? I'm the math teacher Goat, and today in 5th grade math, we are doing a lesson on multi-digit subtraction. If you watch all my videos, and I'm sure you do, the last video was on multi-digit addition. This is similar, but the opposite. Lots of similarities, though, you'll see. Like and subscribe. Please, please, please leave a comment. Also, go to the description and click on the link for the notes. That way, if you have a printer at home, you can download the notes, print them out, and follow along. I'm going to do a bunch of problems, and then I'm going to ask you to pause the screen so you can do a bunch of problems on your own. That way, you get some nice little practice in. So, here we go. Subtraction helps us find the difference between two large numbers. In this case, this is a subtraction problem, 51 minus 7. Now, you might look at that and think, all right, well, back in the day, I did stuff like 9 minus 7. This is 51 minus 7. What do I do now? Well, we might have to do a little thing called regrouping. Now, that's needed when a digit on top is smaller than the one below. So when you do multi-digit subtraction, and we're starting out very, very, very light, what you do is you start with the ones category like this, and you think, all right, 1 minus 7, what is that? Well, we can't do 1 minus 7. I mean, you will in the future, but we can't do that right now. So this is what we do. We borrow from the number to the left. So we cross this 5 out, make it a 4 because we're borrowing 1 from 5, and then we turn 1 into 11 because we borrowed 1 from 5. So that 1 comes from us borrowing. Now I could do this. Now I could do 11 minus 7, which is 4. Then you move to the next place value. 4 minus, well, there's nothing there, is 4 again. So 51 minus 7 is 44. So you probably have seen this process where you borrow from the next place value. We're going to do that a lot. Now, what if the numbers are big? Like I got something in the hundreds minus something in the hundreds. What do I do? Line up the numbers by place value. Well, they already are. And in most of the problems that we do today, they already will be lined up by place value. We'll probably see a word problem that we have to do that on their own. But, you know, we're going to go here. Subtract from right to left. Then regroup from the next place when needed. Be careful when regrouping across zeros. All right. So from the right, as Beyonce once said, or was it to the right? Nah. You do 8 minus 5. That's very normal. This is the ones values. That's very normal. 8 minus 5 is 3. No need to borrow. Next, we do the tens place value. That's 4 minus 6. I can't do 4 minus 6. Not right now. So what I do is I borrow 10, or I borrow 1 rather, from 8 and turn that 8 into a 7. Now I have 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is much more manageable. 14 minus 6 is 8. Then I go to the next one. 7 minus 6 is 1. And then so at the end of all of this, 848 minus 665 is 183. So I'm just going to do a bunch. Watch how I do it. Memorize how I do it. Love how I do it. Know it's the best way to do it. Trust me on this one. All right. 1 minus 8, can't do it. So we borrow 1 from 1. You become a 0. And this one becomes an 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay. Move on to the next one. 0 minus 5, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 6 and make that 6 a 5. So now I have 10 minus 5, which is 5. Move on to the next one. 5 minus nothing is 5. So 611 minus 58 is 553. Changing my colors. 0 minus 2, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 1, make you a 0, and make you a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Move to the next one. 0 minus 1, can't do it. Borrow from 9, so I'll make you 8. You become a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Move on to the hundreds. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 910 minus 212 is 698. Let's make these numbers bigger. More, más in Espanol. Start from the right. 0 minus 1, can't do it. Borrow from 8, make you 7, make you 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now move on to the next one. 7 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 8, make it 7, and turn that 7 into a 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. On to the next one. 7 minus nothing, 7. 5 minus nothing, 5. 5,880 minus 91 is 5,789. Ooh, thousands minus a thousands. This is going to be good. 2 minus 3, can't do it. Borrow from 4, make you a 3, make you a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 3 minus 5, can't do it. Now this is going to be really weird. Okay, this hasn't happened yet. But normally I'd borrow 1 from 0. Well, I can't. So what I need to do is go 1 more. I need to borrow 1 from this 8 to make you a 10. So I could say, all right, well, let's borrow 1 from a 10, scratch you out, make you a 9, and make you a 13. So sometimes you need to jump twice. Sometimes you need to borrow twice. Okay? So 13 minus 5 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So 9,042 minus 6,053 is 2,289. Boy, oh boy, that one is a doozy, for sure. All right. More. 1 minus 1 is 0. No borrowing. 3 minus 3 is 0. No borrowing. 4 minus 2 is 2. No borrowing. 2 minus 2 is 0. No borrowing. 7 minus 4 is 3. No borrowing. Okay, so 30,200. Let's try this one. I thought it was going to happen again, but it's not going to happen again. I thought there would be no borrowing again, but we're going to borrow here. 7 minus 3 is 4. 0 minus 2, you can't do it. So we borrow 1 from 5, make you a 4, and now you're 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 6, can't do it. Borrow 1 from 8, make you a 7, make you a 14. 14 minus 6 is also 8. Move to the next one, thousands. 7 minus 1, 6, no borrowing. 4 minus 1, 3, no borrowing. 8 minus 7 is 1. So we have 1, 2, 3. 136,884. And if you don't do this and make the hand motions, it doesn't count. Trust me. Oh. Something in the millions minus something in the thousands. It's going to be good. Go all the way from the right. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. No borrowing. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus nothing is 3. 1 minus nothing is 1. And 6 minus nothing is 6. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. No borrowing in that entire problem. 6,137,488. It's how much money I make in a day. That's not even close. All right. Something in the millions minus something in the millions. This is going to be gross. Gross. All right, start from the right. 7 minus 3 is 4. Nothing crazy there. Oh! Now, this happens in my classroom from time to time where the lights go out. So now we're in spooky math. So it's spooky math time. The lights are out. Spooky math. All right. Anyway, 5 minus 2, it's 3. No borrowing. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 8. Now we have to borrow. So 1 minus 8, let's borrow 1 from 3 to make you a 2. Make you 11. So now it's 11 minus 8, which is 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 9 minus 6 is 3. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. 9,631,757 minus 6,428,623 is 3,203,134. So this is the part where you pause the screen and do a couple. I think maybe there's 4, maybe 6. I don't remember. But you try these, pause the screen, do it on your own. When you're ready, come back, do the math, go. Welcome back. Oh, and if you didn't pause the screen, quick pause it now. Welcome back. All right. 31,782 minus 17,415. We've got 2 minus 5. Can't do it. So let's borrow from 8 and make you a 7. So now it's 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. An angel just got its wings. 1 minus 7 is, I can't do it. So let's borrow from 3, make you a 2, and make you 11. 11 minus 7 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we got 14,000, don't forget your comma, 300, and oh, should I do it? Oh, it's so trendy. I want to so bad. 300 and, I'm not doing it. 67. Sorry. I don't find it funny. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get the 6-7 thing. I don't understand. I don't get it. This one's not so bad. This one actually looks friendlier than that one. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow from 7, make you a 6. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 5 minus nothing there is 5. So we end up with 5,332. Oh. Did the going make the thing pop up? Nope, just my pen. All right. Oh. 3,775,310 minus 1,000. No, 150,849. All right. 0 minus 9, can't do it. Borrow from 1, make you a 0, make you a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 0 minus 4, can't do it. Borrow from 3, make you a 2, make you a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 8, can't do it. Borrow from 5, make you a 4, make you a 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 5, I thought I muted you. Now it's muted. Ugh. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 3 minus nothing is 3. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 6. 6. 3,624,461. Woo! Woo! All right. 2 minus 2, no biggie. 7 minus 9, biggie. Borrow from 5, make you a 4. 17 minus 9 is 8. Think about that one for a second. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. 0 minus 2 can't do it. Borrow from 6, make you a 5, make you a 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, 1,880,480. All right. A store has 9,250 items and sold 4,780 of them. How many items are left? This is subtraction. When you have a certain things and then you get rid of certain things, you subtract certain things. So this is at the very beginning where it said line everything up. We have to make sure everything is lined up. So start with the bigger number, 9,250. And we're going to subtract 6, 8, 7, 4, 4,786. So we'll put a nice little minus sign there and get right to it. 0 minus 6, can't do it. Borrow 1 from a 5, make you a 4, and make you a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 minus 8, can't do it. Borrow from the 2, make it a 1, so now you're a 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 7, can't do it. Borrow from 9 to make you an 8. So now it's 11 minus 7, and 11 minus 7 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, and that leaves me with 4,464. So how many items are left? 4,464 items are left. So that'll do it. Okay, a couple dings on the phone. That's okay. I'm just recording videos in my classroom. I'm a high school teacher. What do you want me to do? Get a professional studio? I'm not Mr. Beast. I'm not Khan Academy. I'm on a limited budget here. But if you watch all of my videos and like and subscribe, then maybe I can get a studio. I don't know. It's all about that YouTube money. Anyway, thank you for watching. Keep watching more of my videos. Make sure you do like and subscribe. That does go a long way. Leave a comment if you can. And that's all I've got. Until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.